My returns are generally fixed, usually between 6% to 9%.
I offers returns between 9% and 18% based on different credit ratings.
My returns range from 10% to 16% based on underlying assets and ratings.
Now let's talk about returns and risks.
My returns are generally fixed, usually between 6% to 9%.
Miss FD, sorry, I think we lost you there. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी. Please repeat that again for me.
My returns are generally fixed, usually between 6% to 9%. Low risk, low return. But hey, who doesn't like stability?
I offers returns between 9% and 18% based on different credit ratings, higher than Miss FD. Yes, but also higher rewards. Yash, can you show my credit default chart to the viewers? They will be able to see percentage of defaults for different ratings. I also come in secured form and unsecured form. In secured form, I am usually covered by enough receivables, promoter guarantees, and some cash collaterals. But in unsecured form, there is none.
Impressive data, Mr. Bond. मतलब AAA रेटिंग जो 9-10% रिटर्न देती है उसमें तो यार आपने कमाल ही कर दिया. बट ये 18% रिटर्न कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया?
No, you can get it, Mr. Yash. These will be unsecured structures, but you will get rewarded for the high risk you are taking.
अरे 1 second, मेरी भी सुन लो पहले before praising Mr. Bond. My returns range from 10% to 16%.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risk, including delay and or default in payment. Read all the offer related documents carefully.